for sales to everyone. Another day, another unit. Thank you, Ma'am Mean. And ingat po. Now, itutur ko naman kayo. Here again, Nike Cavite. Okay? Here's the dining area. Okay. Ito yung pahingahan nyo kapag manonood kayo ng movie. Ayan. At the same time, we have here refrigerator, dirty kitchen, this one. Ayan. And then we have here toilet and bath. Here. Okay. Maraming salamat nga pala kay Ma'am Mean for Veil this Calista made at Nike Cavite. Thank you and God bless.